Ready?
Yeah.
Navigate to Ube.
Use the left lane to turn left onto Violani Boulevard.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call.
You want to start with the cookies?
Maybe not.
No, let's start with the tarts because there's more of them.
Good point.
We're headed to the crag here on Oahu, but first we're carving up for energy and mostly because we have sweet teeth. Sweet tooth and fur is one scene. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh, that's good. This haul cost us roughly $16.
Yeah.
2 cookies, 1 cheesecake, 4 cheesecake tarts, $16. I would say it's worth it.
It's delicious.
And I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call. And I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle. Need a miracle. Oh, you open up a world behind stars.
So we overestimated ourselves, I guess,
As always.
per usual, specifically for the third state in a row. We are hiking back in the dark. We didn't get in nearly as many climbs as we wanted to, but this crag is super fun.
Yeah, and it was the view was amazing. So a couple routes that we got in was worth it.
Yay!
Woo!
I'm hungry and I'm tired.
Same.
Emphasis on the tired. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need a
One of my favorite things to do on the descent of a hike is think about what I'm going to eat. So I'm gonna ask my Chica. Chica, what are you gonna eat?
I was thinking like so many different things. Whoa.
What's top on your list?
some chicken or something. I don't know in particular because I feel like there's so many places to eat here. So I was thinking chicken or poke would be good.
Poke sounds awesome.